Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. So here I have the Dragon Touch Notepad K10. Features an HD screen and it is an Android-based tablet. Features 2 gigabytes with 32 gigabyte expansion. Android 9.0 is built into it. The resolution is 800 by 1280 IPS screen with a 5000 milliamp battery. So good overall ratings that I've seen online. Also a quad core chip inside, so it should be really fast, and some really good graphics on this. Let's go ahead, take a look and see actually what's in the box. Now, I've done some other Dragon Touch products as well, and they have been really well made, and I really do like them. So I think it's something to check out. All right. So a piece of foam, I like that. Here's the actual tablet itself. So let's move that to the side real quick before opening that up. In the box here, we have a little thank you and warranty card. Your getting started user manual. Power supply, which is always good. It's got a little USB right there, you can see. And then we do have the USB cable, so that's a standard USB, not USB-C. And then let's see, just to show you real quick, it says you get a 2-year warranty with this, which is really great. A lot of things are 90 days or 1 year, so get 2 years. All right, so here we go. Here is the tablet itself. Pretty good weight to that tablet. Feels really good. On the back here, we do have a camera right in the middle. It is expandable, like I mentioned before, with the memory. So let's go ahead, just take this off real quick. Yep, there you go. So Dragon Touch powered by Android. Now it feels like there is another, there's another screen protector already on this, so you don't have to worry about that. I was kind of looking at that to see, it looks kind of like a screen protector, and sure enough, it is. So that's going to start up. I'm definitely going to charge it, but just right away, it is starting pretty quickly for the first time. So there you go. That's the Dragon Touch Notepad K10. Make sure to like and subscribe and look for the review and demo of this Android tablet. But for right now, I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews, and I will see you guys in the next video.